Hey, good morning, sixth graders. It's Mr. Terry. It's Friday, September 3rd, 2021, and you're going to take your first quiz in science over physical, chemical changes, and elements and compounds. I'm recording this quiz for you in case you need help reading any of the questions, so please pause the video at any time if you want to take time to answer a question, or rewind the video if you need to hear a question reread to you. I will read all the questions in the quiz. You're going to take this quiz, and I want you to use this diagram that's in the quiz to remind you of the differences between physical and chemical changes. So a physical change is when we change the appearance of something, like if we break it or we cut it, things like that. We're not forming a new substance, we're just changing its physical appearance. A chemical change is when we actually form a new substance. When you burn something, you burn a log, it turns into ash. That's a new substance. When a gas is created, that's forming a new substance. Think back to the liver lab. Think back to the purple cabbage lab. When the cabbage pH changed when we exposed it to different substances. Okay, let's go ahead and begin. All right. So question 1, is this a physical or chemical change? Cutting paper in two shapes. Is that physical or chemical change? Question 2, is baking this cake a physical or chemical change? Question 3, is boiling a pot of water a physical or chemical change? Question 4, is ice melting a physical or chemical change? Question 5, fruit that is rotting, is that a physical or chemical change? I'll give you a hint on this one. The food is discoloring because it is rotting and gases are being released. Gases are forming, hint, hint. Question number 6, is this burning fire a physical or chemical change? Question number 7, is baking soda and vinegar reacting and forming gas bubbles, is that a physical or chemical change? Question number 8, is tearing pieces of paper in your hand a physical or chemical change? Question number 9, a nail that's rusting and oxidizing, forming rust, which is, hint, hint, a new substance. Is that a physical or chemical change? I'm giving you that hint because I haven't talked a lot about nails rusting. But rust is a new substance that is being formed. So there's a big hint. Number 10, breaking glass. Is that a physical or chemical change? Number 11, breaking a pencil in half. Is that a physical or chemical change? Number 12, throwing a dart at a fancy glass. Is that a physical or chemical change? Number 13, does the following formula represent an element or a compound? Remember to count the capital letters. So we have H2. Is that an element or a compound? Question 14, does the following formula represent an element or a compound? You have C6H12O6. That's the formula for glucose, which is a sugar. Is that an element or is it a compound? Question 15, does the following formula represent an element or a compound? Ne, neon, element or compound. Question 16, how many elements are in this substance? Count your capital letters. C6H12O6, are there 3 elements, 24 elements, 6 elements, or 12 elements? Question 17, how many atoms are in this substance? Remember, we're looking for atoms now. C6H12O6, are there 3 atoms, 24 atoms, 6 atoms, or 12 atoms? Okay, that is the end of your quiz. Good luck. Take your time, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.